Oh. Oh my gosh.
What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing vegan gumbo. Alright?
I like gumbo.
I like gumbo. So today, this vegan gumbo is coming from Plant Based Mello. Make sure that you guys check him out on social media. We will put the link below.
Check us out too on
Also follow us on Instagram. Before we continue though, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to this channel. You know we have plenty of reviews for you guys and plenty of great things to share with you guys in terms of vegan information and how to transition into veganism. As you guys know, we have 6 kids, and you can also check out what our 6 kids eat as vegans. We'll put a video up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so if you guys want to place an order for this vegan gumbo, go ahead and DM Plant Based Mello on his IG and let him know that we sent you. Alright? Now, we're going to show you how it comes when you place this order. Alright, now as you see, it is completely frozen when it arrives and it is well packaged. So shout out to Plant Based Mello for that, because you did a really good job doing that, buddy. Alright, so once it gets to you, all you gotta do is thaw it out. We actually thawed it out in our fridge, and then you warm it up and you eat it. Now, when we got it, we put it in a container and it was this high.
Actually a little higher.
It was a little higher. As you can see, this is all that is left. I am the only one who did not try it, because I wanted to give you guys an authentic and realistic review.
First taste test.
But Chris tried it.
Yes.
The kids tried it.
Obsessed.
Matter of fact, let's cut to the footage. Girls, what do you think? Let me see. How is it? It's good? Karina, what do you think? Yeah? Alright. Let's see, how is it? Good? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right. Winston, you eating? Winston? You eating? Yeah.
It's good?
And?
I've never tried gumbo forever, but this is the best gumbo I've ever tasted.
This is the best gumbo? Okay. All right. Yeah, you still over there enjoying it, ain't you?
What do I think?
What do you think?
Get Winston.
Tastes like chicken? All right, so Rocky's been tearing it up. How is it, Rocky? It's good?
Yeah, it tastes like Chinese food.
Like Chinese food? Okay, well, it does have shrimp in it, so that makes sense.
However, making the shrimp taste better.
Oh, yeah? All right, okay. Everybody's tearing it up. Damn, Mookie, I just got to you. Your plate's almost done? Crazy. All right, Karina, tearing it up. Y'all must really like this gumbo, man.
Like
Even the baby's tearing it up. Look at this plate. As you can see, everybody's obsessed, but I had to wait.
Guys, it's so good.
I had to wait.
No, guys, but he was really tempted.
No, I was tempted, man. I was tempted. But it smells so good. It's not even warmed up yet, and it smells so good.
Oh.
Oh
Tell them what's in it. Tell them what's in it.
Oh, so you got some jackfruit in here. You also have all vegetarian ink shrimp. And then you have Beyond sausage.
Guys.
And all kinds of yummy spices and veggies. It smells so good. My goodness.
Yeah, I'm going to have my last.
Of course, you got
I gotta have my last plate.
I can't eat this alone.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we already made some rice. We just made some rice over here.
Just made some rice.
And we are going to warm up the...
Gonna warm up the rest of this because I want a lot.
He also sells it with... sometimes with fries.
He sells it with fries, and he also sells it with fried blossom. What is it called?
The banana blossom.
Fried banana blossoms.
Yeah.
He also sells it with fried banana blossoms. But it is some of the best stuff I've ever smelled.
Literally.
I'm telling you, like,
the seasoning game is next level. Y'all know we don't play with seasoning. We're from the Caribbean, like,
yeah,
you gotta season your. This tastes like my grandmother's food.
Yes.
Yes.
I can't wait.
Here, you want to use a spoon? Want to use the spoon?
I mean, we're heating up all of this.
We are.
So I'm just gonna pour that bad boy in there.
Well, you better. You better.
See, now I need the spoon.
Yeah, you better. Wow.
I can't get over how good this smells, man.
Literally yesterday, the babies, like, I gave them a little taste of mine, and we were getting ready to leave the house, and they kept running. I was still getting dressed. And
they kept
running back. Oh yeah, we have to place another order.
Yeah.
They kept running back into the house to get more from me instead of going into the car we were about to leave.
That was.
And you know they love car.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
So I was like, they came back in the house.
Out, they want to run to the car. They want to hop in the car. Like, they cry if one of us goes to the car and they're still inside. But
they kept
once this
running
gumbo,
back to the house for more gumbo.
Once this gumbo was in the bowl, it was a wrap. They kept running back into the house. It was nuts.
So as this warms up, if you have your own gumbo recipe or whatever, if you're inspired to make your own gumbo from this, what are some of the recommendations that we have as far as produce, organic produce, and making sure it's like, you know, they're making healthy choices?
Now, if you guys are not familiar, there is a thing called the Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen. Now, the Clean 15 is actually a list of produce with the least amount of pesticide residue. Okay?
Yes.
So, and the Dirty Dozen is
the highest levels of pesticide.
Highest.
Levels of pesticide residue.
The highest.
Right, so we will put both lists on the screen for you guys right now. Basically, we stick to organic produce.
Yes.
But what ends up saving you money in the long run is purchasing items that are on the Clean 15 list, because that's the produce that you can get away with eating it not organic.
Exactly.
Right. But the Dirty Dozen list, that's the stuff
you can't
stay
make
away
any
from.
concessions with those.
Yeah.
You got to get those organic just to minimize your pesticide
exposure
residue.
to pesticide. Exactly. And for instance, kale, which we just bought a whole bunch of organic kale last night. Did. I believe in the test that they did last year, and I'll put a link to the article that I read, and because I always keep up with this stuff. 17 different types of pesticides are on conventional kale. Yeah. So that's something you really want to go organic with.
Yeah, because apparently we ain't the only ones that love kale.
Oh guys, check out our kale wrap. Video.
Ooh. You know we gotta make some
kale wraps today.
Yeah, so if you guys want to make your own gumbo, hopefully this list is going to be a great resource to you. Or
if you want to support Plant Based Mello, make sure you check out his info below.
I would recommend you, the way this smells, I recommend you support Plant Based Mello.
Yeah, at least, you know, because we are really big on supporting, you know, plant-based businesses, especially run by people of color.
Exactly. You know, we got plenty of reviews on the channel that you guys can check out. We'll actually put a bunch of links below of those videos.
We'll put a list right here.
We'll put a little list right here
of some of the companies that are run by people of color that we just absolutely love. From Atlas Monroe, which has the best vegan fried chicken, Mac and Yeast, which has the best vegan mac and cheese, All Vegetarian Inc., which has the best vegan bacon.
Yes, absolutely.
Honestly, like some of the best companies.
All Vegetarian Inc. is in this gumbo.
Their shrimp is in the gumbo.
But yeah, it sounds like this thing is bubbling. Yep, it's ready to go.
Ooh.
It's ready to go.
Ooh.
Look at that. It's ready to go.
You have a fork?
I got a fork, I got a spoon, I got everything. I can't wait. That's a good amount.
Yes, that's
a good one, right?
Oh my gosh, the whole house smells amazing. One of our daughters just woke up too. You know she's gonna be asking for it.
She probably heard us say gumbo on her sleeve, and she was like,
and they love the idea of gumbo from Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. They were like, we're finally eating gumbo.
I gotta remember you're having some. So
yes, you can just leave a little bit for me.
All right.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Let's get it.
All right, we need to take a few pictures. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
I have to tie the hair back for this. All right, I'm about to try this bad boy out. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, the seasoning on this. Mmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see why I'm obsessed?
We gotta place another order.
We do.
Cause I'm gonna want more. There's no more.
That's it.
I'm gonna want more after this.
That's it.
Mm.
I'm DMing him like right now.
Something that you would order from a restaurant, pay like $15, $16.
Yeah.
No problem. And you know that it's worth it, so you have no problem spending
The
that.
thing I love, like, it tastes like my grandmother's food. Like, it tastes like my grandmother's seasoning. Like, my family's from Trinidad. I grew up in Trinidad. Like, that, to me, tastes like, and there's okra in that, and you hate okra.
Guys, one of my least favorite things in life is okra. This makes me not care. This, I'm sorry, there's no shortage of flavor.
Yes.
There's no shortage of seasoning. Everything has a great balance to it.
He knows what he's doing, man.
He knows exactly what he's doing.
Yo, go out and support this young black business owner doing amazing things. Because honestly, we have tasted a lot of food in the 5 years we've been vegan as a family.
I don't know whose grandmama you stole this recipe from, but I'll tell you what, it's in good hands. And guys, the reason why we like supporting companies that are run by people of color is because when we first jumped on YouTube, we didn't see that many families that look like us.
Yes, the vegan families, black
Yeah,
vegan
you know,
families.
and we were like, okay, we got to change that. You
Yeah.
know, we got to come on here, do our thing.
Show a
and-
realistic perspective.
Yeah, man. And we thank you guys so much for supporting us, man.
Yeah.
For, you know, checking out these videos, you know, leaving comments, giving me feedback.
So much positivity, so much love.
So much love that you guys show us. We appreciate it. We thank you so much. And this is why we do it, man. We do it to have good food,
Yeah.
meet good people,
Yes.
and just share the knowledge, spread the wealth, you know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
And we have a big vision for our channel, and we're about to approach 7,000 subscribers. We're so excited to continue to grow the channel,
Thank
to
you guys
continue
for
to
that,
grow
man.
our message of positivity and
Yes.
black love, and showing a positive black relationship. And you know, it matters.
Yes, it
Representation matters, and
It does.
getting the chance to raise our profile to then shine a light on amazing companies like this means so much. So please share our channel so we can continue
one of
to
the
share
best
this
food I've ever
message.
had, man.
It is. This is at the top of our list of the best vegan food we've had.
Yes. Shout out to Plant Based Mello, man.
Yes,
You hooked it up, man. You hooked it up. We definitely got to place another order.
we do.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching this, guys.
Don't forget to like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
subscribe,
subscribe.
share.
Y'all know it's not an Infinite Life video without one of our little adorable angels making a cameo. Say hi.
Hi.
She's the first one awake this morning. Y'all know we filmed these super early.
Look at this, guys. I'm almost done.
Yeah.
I am almost done.
I do feel kind of bad that you're not going to get any more until
Yeah,
we place
well,
an order.
You know what? I'm going to throw some rice in there, mix it around.
Oh yeah,
get some of that gravy.
there is a little bit left.
Yeah, man. Get some of that gravy.
This almost fell in there. Even the camera was trying to get a little taste.
Yeah, camera's trying to get a little taste too, man.
Oh gosh.
Guys, as always, don't forget to...
Ooh.
Yeah, all right?
Yo,
Right?
she's trying to holler at
Right?
us.
Trying to get
Look at her. Oh, and guys, we have been stockpiling because of all this craziness that's going on right now.
Crazy coronavirus stuff that's going on right now. Guys, make sure you stockpile. Make sure that you get your waters. And guys, if you're interested in seeing how we stockpile
How we're prepping right now.
and how we're prepping, go ahead and leave a comment below.
Big families.
Big
yeah.
family, you know, big family prepping, all right? And, you know, we'll do a video for you guys. But, you know, leave a comment below. Let us know if you guys are interested in that. And we'll make it do what it do, baby. Now, as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk.
Drink your almond milk.
And zip up your
goat. almond milk. Zip up your coat. Drink almond milk. Corey, come to the dance and dance. Zip up your coat. Zip up your coat. Coat. Zip up your coat. Drink almond milk. Zip up your coat.